Hello everyone, and welcome to ACP Civil Hub. In today's video, we are going to compare two widely used steel building systems, pre-engineered buildings, commonly known as PEB, and conventional steel buildings. Both systems are extensively used in industrial, commercial, and infrastructure projects. However, they differ significantly in design philosophy, material consumption, fabrication methods, construction speed, project cost, and overall applications. Understanding these differences is important for selecting the most suitable structural system for a project. So, let's begin our engineering comparison between PEB and conventional steel buildings. Let us first understand the basic design philosophy. In a PEB system, built-up tapered sections are used. The member size varies along the length according to the actual load requirements. This means steel is provided only where it is structurally required, resulting in optimized and efficient design. On the other hand, conventional steel buildings generally use standard hot-rolled sections with uniform profiles throughout the member length. While this approach is straightforward and familiar, it may not always utilize material in the most efficient manner. In simple terms, PEB focuses on optimization, whereas conventional steel buildings rely on standard structural sections. One of the most important differences is steel consumption. Since PEB members are optimized according to loading conditions, they generally require less steel for similar applications. Lower steel weight results in reduced dead load, improved efficiency, and potential savings in material usage. In contrast, conventional steel buildings typically use standard sections throughout the structure, which can lead to higher steel consumption and increased structural weight. However, the actual steel quantity depends on span, loading conditions, design criteria, and project requirements. Overall, PEB structures often achieve better material efficiency for large-span industrial applications. Now let's compare fabrication and manufacturing. PEB components are usually manufactured in highly controlled factory environments using CNC machines and automated production systems. This improves dimensional accuracy, consistency, repeatability, and quality control. Since most fabrication is completed before delivery, site work is significantly reduced. In conventional steel buildings, fabrication often involves more manual processes and greater coordination between fabrication and site activities. Additional cutting, fitting, welding, and adjustments may be required depending on project conditions. As a result, PEB systems generally offer faster and more streamlined manufacturing processes. Construction speed is a major advantage of PEB systems. Because components are pre-designed, prefabricated, and delivered ready for assembly, erection can be completed quickly using bolted connections. This significantly reduces project duration and minimizes site activities. In conventional steel buildings, additional fabrication, fitting, welding, and coordination are often required during construction. These activities can increase project timelines and require more workforce involvement on site. For fast-track industrial and warehouse projects, PEB systems frequently provide faster project completion. Cost evaluation should never be based on steel tonnage alone. A complete project cost analysis must consider material quantity, fabrication, transportation, erection, project duration, and overall efficiency. PEB structures often achieve cost advantages through optimized steel usage, faster construction, and reduced site activities. Conventional steel buildings may require higher material quantities and longer execution periods in certain cases. However, project economics always depend on structural complexity, architectural requirements, location, and design criteria. Therefore, engineers should evaluate the total project cost rather than comparing steel weight alone. Each system has its own ideal applications. PEB structures are commonly preferred for warehouses, logistics centers, industrial sheds, manufacturing facilities, and large clearspan buildings. They are especially effective where speed, economy, and functional space are key requirements. Conventional steel buildings are often selected for multi-story buildings, architecturally complex structures, customized layouts, and projects requiring greater design flexibility. They offer advantages when unique geometry or special structural arrangements are needed. The best solution depends on project requirements rather than following a single approach for every application. So, which system should you choose? If your project requires large, clear spans, fast construction, optimized steel usage, and cost-effective execution, a PEB system is often an excellent choice. On the other hand, if your project involves multi-story construction, complex architectural features, customized structural layouts, or special design requirements, a conventional steel building may be more suitable. The most important point is that there is no single best system for every project. The right selection should be based on structural requirements, functionality, architecture, budget, construction schedule, and long-term project objectives. If you found this engineering comparison useful, please like the video, subscribe to ACP Civil Hub, and share it with fellow engineers and construction professionals. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.